Hey guys, welcome to the Millennial Hardware YouTube channel. Today we're going to be repairing this broken storm window for a customer. They just dropped it off. They actually had to break it to get into their house because they locked themselves out. So we're going to be putting new glass in today, and we'll show you all about how to do that. So the first thing we need to do, there's a screw in each corner here of the frame. We're just going to remove those 4 screws first. Okay, so we got the 4 screws out. Now we're going to try to remove the end of the frame first. Okay, our rubber actually broke because it's brittle, and that's fine. I'm going to remove the other end of the same side. The rubber should all come out of the frame like it is trying to do here. Or we'll just have 4 pieces of frame left. What we want to do is just basically pull the old glass out of the frame with the rubber and all. This window is an older window, so the rubber is actually dried up and it's pretty hard, which makes it harder to work with. Lay those the same direction so I know which one goes where. Probably should wear gloves when dealing with glass, but I think it's hard to work with gloves, so I usually don't wear anything. But I've never been cut with it yet before, so just being careful and paying attention is important. Okay, so all the rubber is out. So next what we're going to do is put the frame back together how it was without putting the screws in, because we need to get a measurement of what the glass should be. Sorry about that, getting a phone call there. Okay. So we have a wooden folding ruler that we use to get these precise measurements like this. The main reason is there's a channel here in the frame, and this wooden ruler will fit up in that channel, so we can measure the total size of the glass. If you use a standard tape measure like this, it's hard with that tip. It's almost impossible to get it up in the frame where the glass is actually going to go. So we use this flat ruler. that side is going to be 28 1/4. Coming back this way, it looks like it's going to be about 18 3/8. So 28 1/4 by 18 3/8. So now we'll cut the glass. Alright guys, so we got the glass cut. We put these bumpers under it to raise the glass up off the counter, which will allow us to be able to slide the rubber spline back on the edges of the glass. So that's the next step here. Pretty much the same way that it came off. We need to make sure there's no broken glass pieces in the channel anywhere. I tried to clean those out already, but always miss something. Basically all this rubber spline does is wedge the glass between the aluminum frame. That just keeps it from rattling. It keeps everything nice and tight. No wind can come through. None of the cold wind or hot air in the summer. Just makes a good tight seal. This side on again. Okay, so one more piece here. If you have trouble with them coming off, you can put a little piece of tape around the edges to hold it on, which you would cut off later once you get the framing all together. For this instance, I think it's going to hold tight enough without the tape. Okay, so now I'll start with this front side here. We're going to slide the frame back onto the spline. The main key is to get it perfectly centered with the glass. Otherwise your screw holes and things are not going to line up correctly. Not really any special tools to do this with. You just kind of have to work it on there and go to the next side. Once you get two sides on, it makes it where you can kind of squeeze them together, which I'll show you here. Gives you some leverage on the glass. Push both sides against each other. Got one side left here, the bottom. Okay, now that the frame is all on there, we can actually take out the bumpers. We're able to once we get the frame all beat around the edges, we'll put the screws back in just a second. Tapped it with the rubber mallet on there to get everything on good and tight. Now we're just going to clean the glass and then it's ready for the customer. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and have a great day.